Hey everyone, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thanks so much for coming by. We have an awesome video for you guys today. But before we jump in, if you're interested in a new way to make money, all right, there is an incredible opportunity to make money right here on YouTube by creating a faceless YouTube channel. This is one of my accounts, one of my several accounts where I made over $130,000 in the past year. And in some months, I was able to make over $20,000 in a single month. This month, I made $37,000. So if you wanna learn how to do this, I set up a link below where you guys can learn how to do it. You don't need experience, you don't need a following. It's the best way to make money right now. So click the link below to get started. And now let's get started with the video. Here's a very interesting next video topic. The Lyft CEO just got canceled. Want to read this?
Okay, Lyft CEO faces pushback after driving for the app and posting about how great it was.
The Lyft, you guys will not believe this. Read this. Just read these two first sentences and you'll see exactly why.
Okay, the first two bullet points?
Yeah.
So, Lyft CEO David Risher drove customers around Napa Valley for the ride-hailing service. He completed 3 trips in 90 minutes, a rate that some commenters said isn't typical for Lyft.
Have you ever seen what Napa Valley looks like?
Yeah.
For anybody watching, the Lyft CEO said, "Oh, I'm gonna see what it's like to be a driver for Lyft. I'm gonna go out and do 3 rides in one of the most gorgeous areas in the world, the most calm, chill areas in the world. I'm gonna go to Napa Valley and do 3 rides." And then he goes, "Now I understand what it's like to be a driver on my app." And he goes, "I love driving for Lyft. It's amazing." Meanwhile, drivers are like driving in like dangerous areas and like obviously driving like 8, 10, 12 hours a day. He just did 3 rides in 90 minutes in Napa Valley.
Yeah, maybe he should go to San Francisco.
Yeah, and drive for 10 hours straight. Like, to put in a full day, bro. Like 3 rides in Napa Valley. Of course you're gonna have a good experience. You're picking up rich people who are going from winery to winery. Like, everybody is in the best mood of their life. But yeah, he posted on. It's so weird how like tone deaf these CEOs are, and how unrelatable they're not even trying to relate to drivers.
And then he shares his earnings in there.
Yeah. The rides cost $48. He got 29 of that plus 13 in tips. Yeah, of course people are tipping the CEO. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I appreciate your willingness to get in the field, but I don't think Napa Valley is representative of what most of your drivers experience daily. Oh my gosh. So, anyways, there you have it.